perfect song for this holiday. It is called Valentine. And this is a song where we want you to reach out and put your arm around the person next to you. Go ahead. That's all. It's so sweet. If you don't know him, you might want to ask him first. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. Even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out, you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All of my life, I have been waiting for all you give to me. You open my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly. Dreamed of this 1,000 times before, but in my dreams I couldn't let you go. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. Oh, you're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Peter Valentine? My other Valentine might take offense to that, but